Start. Para. Mr. Speaker, sir, earlier in my speech, I dwelt on the dire need to step up investment in infrastructure. I had also detailed the sectors to which I propose to make large allocations. I have to raise resources to meet these requirements. I intend to ask importers to share the burden of building the infrastructure in this country because ultimately it will help raise production and enhance competitiveness. I therefore propose a levy of 2% as special customs duty on all imports except those that carry nil rate of duty or are imported at nil rate of customs duty for export production under the various duty-free licenses. This levy will not apply to gold and silver imported by eligible passengers or under special import licenses. This is likely to yield about rupees 1600 crore in the current year. Importers will be happy to know that the Reserve Bank of India is announcing today the withdrawal of the interest rate surcharge of 25% on import finance imposed in February 1996. I now come to my proposals regarding central excise. A large number of countries in the world today have a value added tax system which has been recognized to be the most efficient from the commodity taxation. I am glad to note that some state governments are moving towards the value added tax system. The last few years of reforms have taken us closer to having a central VAT, but there are still certain legal obstacles. Para. Our central excise structure still has 11 ad valorem rates. The rates range from 0 to 50%. Ideally, there should be only 4 rates of excise duty: a lower rate of excise duty on goods of mass consumption, a single normal rate on all other goods, and a higher rate on luxury items. It is absolutely necessary for us to move towards this rate structure so that we put an end to wasteful litigation and have a transparent and simple tax structure. It was not possible in the time available to me in preparing this budget to achieve this goal in the current year. However, I propose to take the first step this year and I am confident that we will achieve a 4 rate excise duty structure in another year or two. Para. I propose to integrate the tax on the textile sector with the mainstream of central excise duties by introducing the mode VAT principle in this sector. Honorable members are aware that at present excise duties are levied at the fiber and yarn stage, and there is only an additional excise duty in lieu of sales tax on fabrics. This is one of the most inefficient ways of taxation as it results in very high duties on inputs, which encourages evasion. It does not capture value addition and it denies the industry an opportunity of claiming mode VAT input credit on capital goods, chemicals, and yarn. While modernization of other industries is taking place speedily, our textile industry has not been able to participate fully in this process because of this lopsided tax structure. I therefore make the following proposals. Stop.